Hello students, I am going to deliver you a dictation from Kailash Chandra at the speed of approximately 80 to 90 words per minute. Dictation start in 5 seconds. Start. Sir, at the outset, I may mention that government is not in a position to accept this resolution. I cannot also subscribe to the assumption which is contended in this resolution. The assumption is that there is shortage of agricultural labor in the country. Sir, we have had inquiries conducted with regard to this matter. There has been the agricultural labor inquiry conducted by the Ministry of Labor in the year 1990, 1991, and there have been the inquiries conducted under the auspices of the Planning Commission also, and I do not want to fire the house with the figures contained in the Labor Inquiry Committee report and also in the chapter on agricultural workers, which is contended in the 7th 5-year plan. Suffice it to say that the conclusion arrived at by the Planning Commission is that about 30% of rural families are agricultural laborers, and according to the Planning Commission, this vast number presents a very serious problem. It is also the conclusion of the Planning Commission that the present agricultural production in the country could be maintained with about 75% of the number of workers now engaged in it. Sir, it is true, as has been stated by my friend, that there may be certain pockets in different parts of the country where there may be shortage of agricultural labor. But taking an overall view of the position in the country, the problem really is that it is not one of shortage of agricultural labor, but one of unemployment and underemployment, and that is why, sir, so many steps have been suggested by the Planning Commission, such as expansion of work opportunities within the rural economy, especially through intensive development of village and small scale industries, and also adoption of a measure of redistribution of land and provision of educational facilities and concessions to raise their social status and enable agricultural labor to develop greater confidence, initiative, and ability to avail themselves of all economic opportunities. There are also suggestions of the Planning Commission which require us to improve the living conditions of the agricultural laborers. Sir, with regard to the point that there are certain areas in which there is excess of agricultural labor and certain areas where there is real shortage, I have to say that there are plans which have been adopted. Then, sir, a point has been raised by the mover that in certain peak seasons there is real difficulty in finding agricultural labor. I may state that there is some difficulty experienced during the harvest time and the weeding seasons when there will be the outbreak of monsoon, when replanting of seedlings will have to be done, but the situation is not such as to warrant the appointment of a committee to go into this question at all. I would say, sir, had it not been for those circumstances existing in certain peak periods when agricultural labor is in a position really to dictate terms, it is horrible to conceive of their lot in the slack seasons, so that we have to put up with that situation even in those seasons, as we find there may not be lack of personnel, but the labor may be in a position to dictate terms. They may demand and get increased wages at that particular period, whereas they may have to be satisfied with very low wages in other parts of the year. So, sir, I feel that it is not possible for the government to accept this resolution. Taking India as a whole, as I have stated, to meet this question of underemployment, we have provided in the seventh 5 year plan 40 crores of rupees for assisting in the settlement of landless agricultural workers, and 50 crores of rupees are proposed to be spent by states for the resettlement of landless agricultural workers. The main lines of development in this regard are encouragement of cottage and small scale industries, large increases in agricultural production, including animal husbandry and horticulture. I may also state for the information of the House that the Ministry of Labor are conducting, with the help of the National Sample Survey, another agricultural labor inquiry to investigate into the scope of employment and living standards of agricultural laborers, and this inquiry is expected to bring forth information on all aspects of the subject. The points raised by the mover form the subject matter of the inquiry that would be conducted. Sir, with regard to the question raised by Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, they are larger questions and they are dealt with in the seventh 5 year plan itself. the government is taking necessary steps in the direction of consolidation of holdings, and the latest position of the Planning Commission itself is that it would render aid in the matter of consolidation of holdings so that there may not be fragmentation. The greatest importance that has been attached to developments in cooperation is quite known to the honorable members. Stop.